So let's say you want to plant a garden this year. Everybody's really gotten excited about being outside and gardening. How do you start? I mean, there's lots of weeds in that garden patch that we haven't used for a few years. Where do you start? Do you just till it up, or do you want to try and get rid of some of those weeds? I have two products that will really help you get rid of weeds to be able to plant flower beds, or to plant a garden, or to start a new lawn, or whatever it is that you want to do, but you want to just get rid of everything and then be able to plant back in that area really quickly. The Kills-All will kill whatever you spray it on, but it doesn't affect the soil. In fact, it biodegrades out of your soil in about 4 to 5 days. So if you spray this, it will kill grasses and weeds. You can spray your vegetable garden with it, and it's going to kill whatever you spray it on, but it won't affect the soil. So a week after you've sprayed, you can go back in there after the weeds have died, till it all up, and plant right back into that area. So weeds and grasses, the Kills-All has to go in through the green leafy part of the plant, won't affect the soil, biodegrades out really quickly. If you want an alternative to, like, say, Roundup, that would be your Decimate. This is a fairly new product. The Decimate works even faster than Roundup or the Kills-All does, and it's going to biodegrade even quicker out of your soil. 24 hours, and this is completely gone. It works great on grasses. It's very effective on some of the hardest to kill broadleaf weeds. It works quick, it works in cooler temperatures, and it breaks down in 24 hours. So once your weeds really start to curl up, which can happen in just 24 to 48 hours, you can till it in and go ahead and plant right back in that area. So if you've got a new place where you want to plant some new plants, plant some new grass, maybe start a new garden, there's some great options to help you get those weeds under control that won't damage your soil or you very quickly.